Welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like we take a survey, like we 30,000 coin survey. So please be carefully watching this video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So you will see, and let's start. And please more subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. Get start. Made. Yes. So please, like with this question most important. So first of all, you this asking the, for example, for the question, you must be choose and the animal that they spend most all of its life in the occasion. If you don't choose, and it will you see, like the right answer whale. What is your relationship? Marriage. You will see, like the high school graduate. Yes. In your household are the person who make most of the daily purchasing decision. Yes. Self employed full time. You will choosing now. Construction. No, education, sorry. This is the better. This is the better. This is the better. 5% off. Choose date. Okay.